talking to you about the chemistry behind pancakes, a very savorable, enjoyable meal that we have for our breakfast. And let's go through the ingredients and what's in the ingredients.
We'll need 250 grams of flour, sugar about 28 grams, salt about 22.5 grams, 52.5 grams baking soda, 2 eggs, 150 ml of milk, 75 ml of melted butter.
Dry flour, which is basically a mixture of starch and protein. Protein is made up of elements that make the chain of the amino acids. There are compounds that allow us to build muscles. And starch is made up of small sugar molecules linked together. The other element is sugar, or basically sucrose, which has a chemical formula of C12H22O11 and a molar mass of 342.34 grams per mole. Then there is salt, which is commonly sodium chloride, which has a molar mass of 58.44. Baking powder, which is sodium bicarbonate, or Na8CO3, has a molar mass of 84.01 grams per mole. Wet ingredients such as 175 ml of milk will also be required. That also contain protein, such as flour. Then there's eggs, which contain calcium carbonate in their eggshells, or CaCO3, which has a molar mass of 100.09 grams per mole. And the eggs have 90% of their egg yolk made up by water, H2O, which has a molar mass of 18.02 grams per mole. The rest is mostly protein. Let's quickly add all the ingredients together and talk about the reactions which occur. Flour is mainly composed of gluten. When you mix flour, milk, and eggs, the gluten molecules become more flexible and can bind together by forming networks like a huge sponge. The air that gets introduced into the batter during mixing will remain trapped. Like yeast releases carbon dioxide gas bubbles, which get trapped inside the pancake batter. It also makes the dough rise. The main part of eggs in pancakes is to give protein, while sugars and butter give the texture. Milk facilitates mixing for chemical reactions to occur. As we rest the batter, the flour starch will swell in the milk and help make the pancakes better, smoother, and creamier. Let's start the frying.
We see the pancake somewhat solidify.
The bubbles that you see form is what create the fluffiness in the pancake. The smell of pancakes and the color are from a chemical reaction known as the Maillard's reaction, which is named after the discoverer of the reaction, a Frenchman named Louis Camille Maillard. As the pancake is cooked in the pan, the cooking temperature causes a chemical reaction between sugars in the starch and the amino acids in the protein, producing small molecules that escape from the mixture, which carry the wonderful odors to our nostrils. The molecules are called meladonians.
See this nice brown color caused by the reaction. Let's add some syrup and some toppings, and you can dig in.
So this is the chemistry behind pancakes, a very savorful and delightful meal that we enjoy in breakfast. And this was my chemistry of everything assignment. Thank you for listening and watching.